NC, and today I want to talk about Captain Vikram Batra, a courageous and brave soldier of the Indian Army and a Paramveer Chakra awardee. Today's agenda will be as follows. We will go through a brief introduction, his early life and education, how his military career started, the Kargil conflict of 1999 and the missions that were carried out, the Paramveer Chakra, his legacy and inspiration, and at last we will conclude our views. Vikram Batra was one of India's most courageous and brave soldiers, remembered as the Sher Shah of Kargil. As a young soldier of 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, he showed extraordinary bravery during the Kargil war. Let us begin with his early life. Captain Batra was born on 9th September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He grew up with his twin brother and two sisters. As a kid, he was always adventurous and full of energy. He loved sports, karate, and also joined the NCC, where he was awarded as the best cadet. This early discipline shaped his future of becoming a military soldier. After school, he studied at DAV College in Chandigarh. Although he once thought of joining the Merchant Navy, his love for the nation grew more and more, and he was more inclined towards the military sector. Finally, in 1996, he joined the Indian Military Academy at Dehradun and later became a lieutenant at 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. As a young officer, Vikram Batra quickly became known for his courage, his sacrificing level, and his leadership qualities. His men trusted him completely, and at battlefields he was remembered as the Sher Shah, which is also known as the Lion King. The Kargil conflict of 1999 was a distressful one fought between India and Pakistan. Pakistani troops secretly started occupying the Indian post at the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Army launched Operation Vijay to recapture the occupied post. Next. Several missions were carried out during this war. These were Mission Point 5140 and Mission Point 4875. One of his first mission was to capture Mission Point 514, a high mountain at 14,000 feet. Despite the difficult terrain and low rainfall, he was adventurous. He led his army from the front. Finally, on 22nd June 1999, he proudly sent back the message, "Ye dil mange more." Soon after, he was given another mission to capture Mission Point 4875. The battle was extremely fierce. Captain Vikram Batra also managed to save the life of an injured soldier. He not only got injured in the attack, he was shot and martyred on 7th July 1999. His sacrifice saved the lives of people of his team. His sacrifice saved the lives of people of Jammu and Kashmir. His sacrifice saved the lives of you and me. For his extraordinary bravery, leadership and supreme sacrifice, Captain Vikram Batra was posthumously awarded with the Paramveer Chakra. Now, for those of you who don't know what the Paramveer Chakra is, it is India's highest military honor, which is awarded for supreme courage and self-sacrifice in the face of enemy. This medal was established on 26th January 1950. Captain Vikram Batra was awarded posthumously for the Kargil War heroism. Even today, Captain Batra is remembered as the Sher Shah of Kargil. His story continues to inspire young Indians who share the same dream as him, as protecting our country and its people. Several memorials have been set in his honor, and in 2021, the film Sher Shah was released, introducing his bravery to a new generation. To conclude, Captain Batra's life is a story full of courage, adventure and patriotism. He once exclaimed, "Either I will come back hosting the tricolor or I will come back wrapped in it." And he lived up to those words. He showed us what it truly means to live and die for the nation. He is a person who will forever be remembered in the hearts of our nation. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for all that you have done for our country. thank you all so much for listening to me today. That would be all.